Hi, I'm Casey.
And I'm Bailey.
And this is Crafting on
And
Campus.
today we're making the Aloe Cucumber Hair Conditioner.
In your kit, you're going to have 2 bottles, 4 pipettes, some BMTS 25 emulsifier, vitamin E oil, Optifin preservative, veggie glycerin, aloe vera and cucumber fragrance oil, and sweet almond oil.
First, we're going to heat up water to 180 degrees Fahrenheit and hold it for 20 minutes to destroy any bacteria.
Next, we're going to weigh out some of our ingredients. First, take your BTMS 25 emulsifier and weigh out 25 grams. Next, we're going to take our sweet almond oil and weigh out 20 grams. Now we're going to take vegetable glycerin and weigh 25 grams. Finally, take your vitamin E oil and weigh 5 grams. Next, you're going to want to create a double boiler to melt the ingredients we just weighed. So get a large pot and add some water. Place this on the stove and add your smaller pot inside. Then we're going to add our ingredients to the smaller pot.
Once your water and oil get to 140 degrees, you're going to weigh out your water, which is 425 grams. And then you're going to pour your oils in the same bowl. And now we're going to mix it with a stick blender.
Now that you have your oil and water emulsified and it has dropped to 120 degrees Fahrenheit, you're going to add your Optifin oil and your fragrance oil. So add 26 grams of your fragrance oil. And then add 5 grams of your Optifin oil.
Once your conditioner is cooled to room temperature, you're going to pour it into the bottles. And we're going to use a spoon because it's faster.